I'm so excited that I'm gonna finally be able to do this. I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because it's been something that I've been trying to gather everything so that I can do this DIY. And now that I'm got everything, I'm so excited that I'm gonna finally be able to do this. First thing I want to tell you guys, because I haven't really given you an update on my condo that has been purchased. It's taken a long time for them to get HOA approval, but we finally got demo approval, so they actually are going to start demoing next week. I think it's 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, we'll be starting our demo, and once they clear the asbestos, that's when we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Because right now I can't go in it because they're doing the testing process, but it's also in California, so it's not like I can drive over there anytime, but I will be going this month. I'm gonna take you along with me and we're going to see it gutted. So at least you'll see what it looks like. But that's an update on the condo. So for today's project, I'm really excited because I have been trying to figure out how to do this project. I got the vision in my head, but I just couldn't get the parts to work. But I think I finally got it, and I'm hoping that this will work out. But in today's video, we will be replicating this Miss Dior perfume bottle. I'm gonna go over some of the materials that I will be using for this DIY. First of all, I'm gonna be using this glass block. This is kind of like your half glass block, but I got this from Hobby Lobby. It shows it as $9.99, but I think it's $6.99, and I got it on sale for $4.99, so they're rather inexpensive. What I also will be using will be this. I did get this silver ribbon. It's wired. It's pretty flexible, but it's really shiny. So I thought this would be perfect for this project. And then I'm also going to be using, if you've seen these tea lights that come in this little plastic container, I am going to be using this plastic container. I'm going to take out the wax of this, but we're going to be using just the plastic container. And then I am also going to be using one of these tea light holders. And it's from Amazon. It comes in a box of 2. I promise you I'll be using the other one. Kind of get the idea of what I'll be doing is putting that on top. Really cute. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm also going to be using a couple of these mirror stickers that I used in one of my other DIYs. And then I have this time I won't be needing my Cricut, and I'm just going to be using some vinyl print sheets. And what I did was I just got a printout of the logo and just printed it on there. So I forgot one more thing. I am also going to be using some flowers. And these are the hydrangeas. How do you say it? Hydrangeas. Hold on, I need to find hydrangea. So I'll be using these hydrangeas. Anyway, I'll be cutting bits and pieces of it and seeing. Not sure how they're gonna glue on. I may have to just take each of the individual flowers off and cluster them on, and that may be something I'll do, but I do want these in here, and I think these will be so pretty inside. And of course, I'll be using my long, extended needle nose pliers. So, I think that's everything that we'll be needing. I'm excited. I think this will be really cute. And lastly, I am gonna be doing a little product review. I will be reviewing this glue gun. I'm kind of excited because it's cordless And sometimes, you know, when you're trying to work around with your glue gun, it'll be really neat to not have to worry about the cord. So I will be doing that. Of course, I will list everything below in the description box for you. I think that's it, so let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to put the flowers inside. Now, the key in charging this is to make sure that it's off when you're charging it so that it fully charges. And then when you're ready, we're gonna turn it on and the blue light comes on. So we'll see how this works. It's so nice I don't have a cord. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut this and leaving it in that bunch. I like that there isn't a cord that I have to deal with this. I'm also really liking the precision of this glue gun. And just to show you briefly, this is how you charge. This goes into here, and that's the stand. And then this is charged with a USB charger. So you can charge it in your computer, you can charge it in your plug, however you want to do it. Just so you remember that when you charge it, you have to turn this button off while you charge. So you can see how I'm gluing the three bases of these flowers together. was probably the hardest part to get done. I'm just gonna cut this label out. So I emptied out the wax and now I just have the plastic lid. So what I was going to do was, I'm going to cut this mirror and tape it around here. Hopefully this will work. Okay, the mirror stickers were too thick, so it didn't work. But we need something thin because it has to go back into the tea light. So I am going to trace this. So I ended up using the opposite side of the ribbon. There isn't much space between this and here, so I can't put anything too heavy. That way you still see the silver within the glass. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and place that on here. Now this part gets a little tricky because this ledge right here is not flush. So we're gonna have to build it up so that it's flush. We've got that so it's level. I'm just going to put a little bit of the E6000 on it just so that it's secure in addition to the hot glue. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is put the bow on. I'm gonna take 2 pieces. And I'm just gonna tie them in one big knot. The nice thing about wire, you can puff them out. All right, what do you think? Oh my goodness. That came out really, really cute. I love it. And just a final review on this. This is awesome. I love it. I love that it lasted the whole project. It's lightweight. I love that it's cordless. I'll leave a link below for this so that you guys can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Honestly, I think they came out so pretty. I really like how they came out. And I also want to get another one of those glass blocks and do a taller version. I think the roses and roses of Miss Dior perfume goes up and down, so that might be something I might do down the road. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Really would help my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe so you'll see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.